Hi, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This is your Gem in your tarot reader. Sa air sign, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong sitwasyon about your love life. Ano ang iyong love reading? Ano ang meron sa'yo sa iyong love life? Just a reminder, air sign, this is a general reading. So this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Air sign, give me your main energy about your love life. Air sign, give me your main energy. Occupation, sa trabaho. Maaring related itong love life mo, relationship mo sa katrabaho mo, sa trabaho nyo. There's something na involve ang trabaho mo, or maybe you have to work on it sa relationship mo, sa love life mo. So, alamin natin ang connection ng main energy mo sa iyong love life. Occupation. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Give me your energy. Air sign. Two of Wands. You have Two of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. Judgment. And Ten of Pentacles. Air sign, there's a fire sign involved. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. An earth sign with Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and a water sign with Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Air sign, tingin ko, sa work mo, katrabaho mo maybe, this person is willing to give effort sa relationship niyo. Parang this person or you, air sign, realizes how much you love or how much this person important to you. Diba? This made you realize kung gaano siya ka-importante sa buhay mo, or your person made realize na sobrang importante ka and it's now time for me to give back. Diba? Siguro, your person will make an effort. Papakita niya kung gaano ka-importante sa buhay niya. And this person is looking in your direction, your sign. Parang ikaw ang priority niya sa ngayon. Ikaw yung gusto niyang paglaanan ng atensyon. And later niya na lang na-realize kung gaano ka-importante sa kanya. Kaya, he will try his or her best to do everything. Mapasaya ka lang, maging kayo lang. Maging masaya lang yung connection nyo, magkasama lang kayo. This is some kind of a revelation sa person mo, air sign, na parang this person realizes na ikaw yung pinapangarap niya, ikaw yung gusto niya makasama for a long-term commitment, for a long time. Siguro sa katrabaho mo ito, involve ang katrabaho mo. Ka-work mo, doon niya na-realize kung gaano ka-importante, and now, your person decided to reveal, to tell you how much you mean to this person. Paparamdam niya sa'yo, ipapakita niya kung gaano ka-importante, at ano yung mga plano niya. Gusto niya ng masayang buhay, kasama ka. Bumuo ng sariling pamilya. Gusto niyang aminin to sa'yo. Tingnan natin ang connection ng iyong energy. Air sign. Connection ng main energy mo. Occupation. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. courtship. Liligawan ka niya. Or maybe, ikaw air sign, manliligaw ka. Kung kanino man yung energy nag-resonate, so be it. Pero ang nakikita ko, this person realizes kung gaano kaka-importante sa buhay niya and will make a move. Niligawan ka niya. Involve ang iyong trabaho. Kung ano man ang work mo ngayon, air sign, involve ang katrabaho mo. One of these days, this person, aamin to sa'yo. Nakikita ko na will take you out on a date, will make a move. This person, siya naman yung magbibigay ng time and effort sa'yo. Tignan natin ang Love Oracle for you, air sign. Love Oracle. Hammer. Working on it. Parang this time, desidido siya. Desidido siya na gawin ang lahat na makakaya niyang gawin para maging mutual lang yung feelings nyo at mga plano nyo sa isa't isa. Golden Mirror. The Golden Mirror. Love bombing. Yung biglaan. Golden Mirror is bigla mong na-realize kung gaano ka-importante sa'yo yung tao and that's it. Diba? Parang bigla mong napagtanto sa sarili mo kung gaano siya kahalaga. Ngayon, parte na siya ng buhay mo. Isa na siya sa priority mo. Date. Meeting someone new. Dating. Get back together or set a date. Your person will set a date. Gaya na sabi ko, will make a move. Talking. Interested. Conversing. Communication. There will be a communication. Maybe through email, through social media, or personal. Pero this person will reach you out. Because there's a judgment. When this person realizes how much you meant to this person, kung gaano kakalaga sa kanya, doon niya na-realize na kailangan niya magbigay ng time and effort. Para sa'yo, Cupid's arrow. Love is coming your way, Aries. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Love is coming and it's a surprise invitation. Surprise revelation. The dragonfly, coming to light. By your person is just coming to realization na mahalaga ka sa kanya. Maaring natagalan kasi nga dami niyang priority sa trabaho, masyado siyang busy. Pero ngayon, desidido na siya na maglaan ng sapat na oras sa'yo at i-prioritize ka naman. Tignan natin ang angel guide, air sign, perfect timing. Sa perfect timing, this person will reach you out. It say no and look for a sign. Kung hindi ka sigurado, look for a sign. Siguro, hindi pa sa ngayon, at the right time, at the perfect time, perfect timing, pero look for a sign. Nalalaman mo kung you are meant for each other. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng oracle. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Don't let pride get in your way. Remember, ang mapapride na tao, walang nararating. Take time to breathe out. Relax lang, di ba? Enjoy. Enjoy the situation. Enjoy the romance. Huwag ka ma-stress kung dumating siya sa buhay mo. And the fiery climax approaches. Tingin ko, may mangyayaring aminan. Soon. At the perfect time. At the right time. So kung ito ay meant to happen, air sign, just be ready. Someone will make a move. Because this person realizes how much you are important. So thank you, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, air sign.